Hey guys, I'm out here at Homesite 203. I'm at the center of the home site, panning over to the right front stake. Just want to give you a quick video here. I want to pan around from the front side, crossing over from the street. And I'm going to walk back to the back of the home site and give you a view of there as well. If you have any questions, let me know. Standing right here in the middle of the home site now, towards the back of the property, panning from the back right and back left stake. This is looking towards North Star here. And you can see as I pan around to the left side, the trees are very wooded, so very private, and you really can't see the neighbor there. Pan it back to the center, the front of the home site there.